Why? Because the beta is greater than 1, right? So that means that UPS has a larger reaction to any systematic event that affects the market. So why would the market go up by 10%? We could say the market goes up by 10% because a recent report shows that everyone in the US has a great high-paying job. And we didn't know that before, right? So the market reacts very positively to that. It goes up by 10%. Well, if UPS has a beta greater than 1, that means it reacts to this kind of news more significantly than the average firm in the market does. So a beta larger than 1, and here 1.667 means that UPS is going to go up by 16% instead of 10. UPS has more exposure to systematic risk than the market. Right? And this is true both on the upside and the downside. So the expected return on the market goes down by 10%, right? Then the expected return for UPS will also go down by 16.67%, right? Because risk in finance and economics, it goes both ways. It's both upside and downside, right? And so what we want to do when we're thinking about risk for these kinds of firms is we want to think about risk in these terms, right? We need beta to calculate the expected return, and so we're going to estimate beta based on the actual information that we have. Again, we want about 60 data points, and we're going to use monthly returns so that we don't have any statistical anomalies. We estimate beta from this data by fitting the regression line, calculating the slope. That's our beta. Then we plug that back in here, and the rest of it is all known. The risk-free rate is known. The expected return on the market is observed, so it's known, and we can calculate the expected return for UPS, and that's how we get our cost of equity.